Well, when you think of toadstools, I'm guessing that this is what you think of. Now, we've only just had rain yesterday, so the fungi are only just emerging, because what they do, this would have been completely formed in cellular structure, but effectively deflated in the substrate. As soon as it rains, the mycelium of the fungus pumps water into the fruit body, and that pushes it up into the air. This is fly agaric, Amanita muscaria, and as you can see, there's some little flies on it. It isn't obviously smelly to us, not in the same way that stinkhorn is, but flies do love it. We will dissect this because there will be more coming. This is just the advanced guard. And so you can see we've got the cap. It's not fully broken away from the stipe, so there'll be what's called a partial veil here connecting the edges of the cap to the stipe, and that, as it matures, will flatten out into a nice flat cap. And this bottom section here was the protective case that it emerged from. These little blobs on the top, and Debbie's got a very effective demonstration for this with wet tissue paper and a balloon. Those little blobs on the top are what's left of the bit of the universal veil that was covering the whole fungus, the whole fruiting body, while it was underground. Now there will be more of these, and there'll be more of these year on year, because this is a mycorrhizal fungus. So this fungus, which was growing here very kindly, has an association with the buried roots of this lovely birch tree. And the great thing with fly agaric is it isn't limited just to birch trees. The one that's on campus is associated with a conifer. So they're really versatile, and you won't just see it where the roots obviously are. You could get it, well, as broad as the canopy, because as we know, the roots and the canopy roughly go to the same extent. So you will find it right on the ends of the little roots, 2-3+ meters away from the trunk of the tree. That is fantastic. Woohoo!